Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. Kolabtree, a freelance platform review for STEM professionals. In this video, we'll explore Kolabtree, a unique platform designed specifically for scientists, researchers, and experts in the STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields. You can find a link to Kolabtree in the description below for a closer look. Kolabtree offers a distinct advantage over other freelance platforms. Instead of catering to a broad range of industries, Kolabtree focuses exclusively on the science and research community. It connects professionals like biologists, chemists, data scientists, medical researchers, and engineers with businesses, academic institutions, and even non-profit organizations seeking specialized expertise. A key feature of Kolabtree is its focus on high-level expertise. Freelancers on the platform are generally experienced professionals with advanced degrees and in-depth knowledge within their specific fields. This ensures clients looking for specialized research, data analysis, scientific writing, or product development are connected with top-tier talent. For freelancers, Kolabtree offers a highly targeted platform to showcase services such as research support, statistical analysis, academic writing, patent drafting, and more. The platform facilitates direct communication with clients, empowering freelancers to negotiate terms, set their rates, and select projects that align with their expertise and interests. The bidding process on Kolabtree is straightforward. Unlike many other platforms, freelancers avoid competing against a large pool of generalists. This reduces the pressure of an oversaturated marketplace and increases the chance of securing substantial projects. Kolabtree presents a compelling option for highly skilled STEM professionals seeking freelance opportunities that match their expertise. Whether you are a researcher pursuing academic collaborations or a scientist seeking consulting opportunities, Kolabtree provides a tailored environment where specialized knowledge is valued. Check out the link in the description for additional information.